is the conferment ceremony of Dr. Camacho as a PhD in humanities. And we are all prepared here. We are here at Greyhounds Gymnasium of the University of Cagayan Valley. So, it's the day of the conferment, and we are met here at Greyhounds Gymnasium. So, upstairs are the criminology and maritime students. And the colors are there. And this is my academic gown as PhD holder. And here is my friend Ma'am Laning, a chemical engineer and PhD in chemistry. Laling, ganito mo ang hair mo, oh. Tirin-tirintasin mong ganyan. Para hindi siya mag-fly away. Ha? Ma'am Laling, ganito.
Pero yung fairness fit yung nakuha mo daw.
Ha?
Yan, mas maganda yan daw. Nakuha mo. Alam mo parang bigat.
PhD
Lahat
ako.
sila.
Ay, ganun ba?
Lahat
Yeah.
sila.
Depende sa ano, sa...
Depende sa natapos mo.
Punta ka daw dito.
Ayan, parang ako ni Ma'am PhD.
Dito, sa pinag-i-stayan natin dalawa.
Civil PhD ako, siya chemistry.
So, eh, yung
Chemistry naman namin sa Meron yung si Ma'am yung gano'n.
okay.
Basta velvet. Velvet ang ganito, PhD siya.
Ay, ito, parehas kayo, ma'am.
Oo, PhD kang dalawa. Pero yung mga silver, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, yung mga siling-siling ganon, pwedeng bachelors or masters. Ay, bachelors pa, no? Bachelors pala. Tapos yung merong kamay na, yung isusuot mong ganon sa loob, may butas siya, masters yun. Oo. Yung velvet naman, ganito, velvet,
Ay, yung may ano, ma'am.
PhD.
Yung ibang kulay na parang peach, ganun.
Page, ano sila, bachelor. Oo, merong mga meaning yun. Doon tayo, mama. Dito tayo. Yan na, nandiyan sila.
Oh, na, dito mo.
Magsasayaw pa sila.
We're preparing for the march. For Mommy Debs. Hey, these are the colors of the city. And why is it navy? You are maritime? Criminology. They are criminology students. They will be the one to bring the colors to the stage and bring them out again after. Thank you. Here's their commander. Thank you, thank you. Here are the lineup of doctors, PhDs of Slate. I'm from engineering and they're all in our accidents.
Faculty members, member of the Alumni Association, students, welcome to the University
My
of
dear
Manila
and Nico.
on this very special day for the conferment of the degree. Doctor, ladies and gentlemen, the processional. These are the College of Engineering instructors. Engineer Miguel. Engineer Ramos. The Dean of the Engineering. Alumni representative of University of
Engineer
Cagayan
Nico.
Valley.
From UP Los Baños.
Dr. Roberto P. Sereno, Vice Chancellor for Community Affairs. Lourdes R. Balingawa, Executive Vice President. Lead the values and ideals.
And deals.
The pursuit of knowledge, the preservation of tradition, and the dedication of excellence.
Attorney Marco Cicero Domingo, Director Chedrick Sir. Attorney Joselina